welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special vehicle that I want to show off to you guys. It's a 2017 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD with the L5P Duramax engine. So the first thing you guys are probably wondering is, did we paint this or powder coat it? And we did. We took it to JRPW.
Welcome to JRPW.
To get it powder coated there. And one thing that you guys have to keep in mind is that to match the factory paint, using powder coat is going to be really hard, but I think we did a pretty good job of matching it with the factory white. With white, it's just really hard. Even if you paint it, it's still going to be a slightly different tone, just to keep that in mind. But yeah, it looks amazing.
Fog switch, and then the light bars and the high beams.
That's right. Okay, so he has it where the fog lights are wired to the factory fog lights or the factory fog switch, like that, and then the high beams will trigger. There you go. High beams will trigger the light bar, like that. I don't know if you guys can see it; it's so bright out here. And then the light bars have their own switch as well if you just want to drive with the light bar on. But yeah, that's just one of the things that, you know, makes it a little bit special, kind of having that special touch. But yeah, let's do a full walk around of your truck.
It's got a BDS 6-inch lift with 35s. Hoping to get some 37s. Got the TIS off-road rims on it, 22 by 12s. And I haven't got a bumper yet or running boards. But
what kind of running boards are you gonna get?
Them
amp research.
The amp research. And I'm hoping to get a Bodyguard rear bumper for it.
A Bodyguard rear bumper for it? Do you have spacers in the back?
No.
No?
No, yeah, I have a
inch
in there, quarter inch.
Quarter inch?
Small.
Really? Wow. Actually, it matches up really nice. Let's see. Let's come over here.
I didn't put them in the front because the front sticks out more than the back does.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Those of you guys that follow me, you guys know that I always put 2-inch wheel spacers in the back after I lift the truck, because I don't like how the front would stick out more than the back. But yep, this matches pretty good. I was kind of like curious because it matched up pretty good. I didn't know if you put spacers on yours. So it's got 6-inch BDS lift, Fox shocks all the way around.
All the way around.
What just hit? Someone just hit it? What the heck just happened? A rock just flew and hit your truck or something. I wonder if they threw something over there. Maybe they want to fight. But you used to do a lot of like lighting stuff?
Yeah, I used to do the halos in the headlights, fog lights, and light bars.
Have you done anything special with this truck with, like, you know, doing lights?
So far it's just the rock lights, and I'm going to put halos in the light bars in the pods. But it's about $2,000 just for the light bars right now. Woo. So I'm waiting on that.
Are we gonna be doing any more like upgrades on this truck, front end wise?
I don't know. We might end up doing it. For looks, yeah, we're gonna get the A arms and skid plate like that, powder coated white.
Okay.
But for the most part, I don't know about changing them. I guess wait to see if I go with a wider rim or not.
Okay. Yeah. So right now he's got that 6-inch BDS lift, like I said, but control arms are still stock, and the tie rods are still stock. And I like to upgrade my front end just because I'm running 37s with 14 wides. So I upgraded my control arm. Mine, I have McGoy's upper control arms and D-Max Store tie rods. So I'm gonna persuade him to maybe get the Cognito control arms and maybe Cognito tie rods, just because when you have a massive truck and you're about to go with 37s. Yeah, he's about to go with 37s, and when you have a massive truck, it doesn't hurt to upgrade your front end suspension. It'll definitely tighten up the steering a little bit, and I may even recommend that you do like the idler and pitman arm. Yeah, because my truck, it's so freaking stiff. It's almost like a brand new truck, like a stock truck. Actually, rides better than the stock truck, because stock trucks still have a little bit of play.
Yeah, mine's got some play in it. That's why I need to get it fixed out. But
Yeah, so if your truck has a little bit of play in the steering wheel and you don't like it, especially if your truck is so big and you want that tight, firm steering, upgrade. Look into the Cognito Pitman and an idle arm support kit. It really tightened up my front end. But yep. Do you know if we powder coated this black?
Yeah, I think I did. I think it came, all of it was just bare.
Yeah.
And they painted it all. 'Cause I wanted the fog lights to be black. So I think he's ordered everything bare and painted it how I wanted it.
That's cool. Yeah, so we got the inserts black and the bumper is white. That really like matches the truck. Because right now you don't have any like powder coat, like any special colors that are not, you know, white or black. Yeah. So that front end, having black inserts really tie into it.
I ordered some black clevises to go on the hooks on them.
Yeah.
So they had a little more black to it.
Dude, that's sick. For those of you guys that didn't know, I have the Flog Industries bumper. Before I reached out to Flog, I actually kind of had a deal with Bodyguard, and I was gonna get Bodyguard bumpers. But I liked Flog's design a little bit better, just because it kind of, what I was going for was that factory look, but still have an off-road bumper. So I think maybe with my LOI, I might go with the Bodyguard. You know, your 6.5-inch lift, it feels so much bigger than that.
Yeah. I don't know if they ordered the wrong lift or not, but they told me it was 6.5.
Oh, or 6 or 6.5, whatever it is, but it just feels like it feels almost as big as my truck. And my truck's got an 8-inch lift with 37, so you'll have to park next to mine and see how much of a difference it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, because just getting in this truck, I was like, it feels just as tall as my truck.
Might have been a little dip over the parking lot.
Maybe. Let me know in the comments below what you guys thought of his truck. It is an L5P. It's still got all the emission stuff. So maybe we can convince him to do the emissions equipped Corey Willis tunes. How about that? Maybe.
The plan.
That's the plan. All right, we'll leave it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell, because we might be doing a emission equipped tune on this L5P Duramax and give you guys like a real life test and results. Let's go park next to my truck and get some pictures. Right there. So you happy with it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Do you post a lot of pictures on Instagram?
I don't. I'm
you don't?
watching now. I guess I'm. What I had, I just had some stocks.
Yeah.
Just stocks, so there's no point in posting pictures on it.
Yeah, I was about to say you're gonna have to start posting a lot of pictures, because people are probably gonna be asking what your Instagram is. So, what's your Instagram?
Chris Acuna 17, and that's ACUNA.
All right, I'll put it right here so that way you guys can follow him. And then make sure you post a picture of this truck, so that way if you guys see a picture of his truck that we just took over there, go to his Instagram and comment and let me know that you came from the video. That'd be pretty cool. Let's see how many comments we can get on your picture.
All right.
Let's aim for like 15. So 15 people go over to his page or go over to his Instagram post and comment.
What are you gonna do to your truck?
Me? My black truck's pretty much done.
What about your red one?
I got a turbo coming this week. 64mm turbo, so probably do a full delete, do an up pipe and all that. But yeah, it'll be fun. And then I'm gonna do a 4-inch zone or 6-inch zone. Oh, my truck is a little taller. Yeah. So for reference, that is a Flog Industries bumper. That is a Bodyguard bumper. 7 to 9 inch McGoy's lift set at 8 inches with 37s, 6 inch lift with 35s. Dang, my tires look so much bigger and they're only 37s. Might be the hill. But yeah, I mean, you're gonna be sitting pretty close to me once you go 37s.
Yeah.
So
14 wides, but mine look small.
you're gonna go 14 wides?
Eventually.
You should do 14 wides and do 35 by 1550. That would be sick. That would give you that like mean aggressive stance. Leave a comment below if you think he should do 14 wides and then 35 by 1550. Amp makes them.
Okay.
Yeah, Amp tires. So, but thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.